How to save videos from Instagram to gallery. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can save videos from Instagram to gallery. Well, I'll be giving you step-by-step guides, so let me guide you through this video. Now, to save videos from Instagram to gallery, all you got to do is first open up Instagram and open up the video that you would like to save. So basically, if you're watching someone's reels or you're watching someone's videos, right? So you can open it up. Once you have opened it up, then you get the option to share, right? If you tap on share here, and at the bottom you can see add to story, copy link. If you swipe to the right here, and you can see the download button right here. You can see on the screen there beside the Snapchat option, you can tap on download. Now, however, you'll only be getting this download option if the particular user that uploaded the video or the reel has given the download access. So while you are uploading any video on Instagram, it'll give you the option to whether allow others to save your video or not. So basically, if they have allowed it, you'll be able to save it. If not, you won't get the download option. In that case, you can either screen record it or you can use other websites to download it. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.